Welcome to the first Android Studio tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we'll be setting up the environment for Android app development. So first we need is Java Development Kit. We do a simple Java JDK search on Google. Go to the first link, that is from oracle.com. Click on the first link, Java JDK 12. We go to the download section. You must accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java. Yes, we do. If you have a Linux system, download the Linux Java from here. If you have Mac OS, you can download it from here. If you have a Windows system, there's a 64-bit version available. Well, it works for 32-bit also. So simply click on it and save. And your download will begin. Next we need is Android Studio. So we click on Android Studio. We go to the first link, same as usual. Well, the first we see a download Android Studio button. Well, this button is only for Windows 64-bit version. If you have something else here, you go to download options. Here you can see Windows 64-bit, Windows 32, Mac OS, Linux. Well, I have Windows 64-bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this. This is the read and agree agreement, terms and conditions for downloading. I agree and download. So my download is completed now. So I have Java JDK here. I'm gonna install it. Just wait for a little bit. It takes usually a little time compared to Android Studio. Click next. Yes, please install it. It's gonna install quickly, I suppose. So it's installed now. You can go ahead and read some documentation of Java if you want to by clicking here, or just close it. After you have installed Java JDK, we need to go where you have installed it. I have installed it in program files. I have Java here, JDK 12.0.1. Go to the bin folder and just copy this address, close this, go to properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Well, if you don't have Windows 10, you can just do a simple search in your Windows for environment variables and it'll show you. And under system variables, go to path, edit, and add the path. Well, I already have added the path, so I don't need to. And click OK. Okay, so once you have added the path, just go press Windows plus R, type cmd, and it'll open the command prompt. And this, just to checking whether our Java is installed properly, just type the command javac. It's Java compiler. If you get this as the result, it means your Java has been installed successful. After Java is installed, we need to install Android Studio. So let's install it. Well, this is a heavy application, so it takes a bit time to install. After you have installed it, we can carry on with the Android development. It's going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to fast forward here. Well, after the installation is complete, click next and it say your Android setup is completed. Thank you. After you click finish, it will launch Android Studio. Well, before we start a new project, we need to configure our Android Studio. So click on configure, go to SDK manager and go here on SDK tools. Make sure you have this Intel x86 emulator accelerator checked. If it's not checked, you need to download it, because otherwise your emulator will be running very slow. Well, this is only for Intel processor users. If you have an AMD processor, don't worry. Well, I'll be posting this link in the description of this video. Well, they have given a little bit instructions on how you can optimize your emulator on an AMD processor. First you need AMD processor, then you need the latest Android Studio and an emulator version which is higher than 27.3.8. So I have currently the latest version is 28.0.25. Sorry about that. Then we need to create Android virtual device, which I'll be showing you later. And you just need to enable these features in your Windows, and that'll be all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Click on OK here, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.